Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to find stash car GTA 5. Start by scanning the neighborhood for low traffic zones and alleyways where stash cars hide. Walk slowly and use cover to avoid NPC notice while marking potential vehicle locations on your map. Rely on the minimap for unusual icons and listen for engine hints, then quick save before engaging so you can retry if things go wrong. Many stash cars are hidden in industrial districts, docks, and low-traffic side streets where NPCs park and leave them. Search behind warehouses, loading bays, underpasses, and service roads. Approach at night for better concealment chances. Use traffic patterns to spot rarely driven cars and identify vehicles with modified paint, reinforced windows, or nearby crates as likely stash candidates. Mark found spots and return later, since some cars respawn in the same area. Quick favor, if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation, stay hydrated while hunting stash cars with the Owala water bottle, which is leak-proof, holds plenty of water, and fits most cup holders. It makes long stakeouts more comfortable and saves you from thirsty distractions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you find a stash car, approach quietly to avoid NPC attention and use stealth takedowns if enemies are nearby. If locked, use lockpick tools or call a tow and disable alarms before attempting to drive off. Always quick save first, hide evidence by cleaning or swapping plates, and sell or store the vehicle in a safe house to secure your haul. Use cover and keep an eye on police stars when you escape to avoid losing the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.